Features are a great new way of performing measurements on the geometry of a scan target. By first extracting the geometric elements, you can simplify tasks by only dealing with the more abstract elements such as points and lines. I will demonstrate this on a target by showing an intersection and a point line distance. I already have two surface edge tools set up to robustly find the edges of this component here. So surface edge vertical and surface edge horizontal. To find the intersection point of the two lines that these two tools produce, all I have to do is add a feature intersect tool. So I'm going to add one of those. And this feature intersect tool takes in the features that are being produced by these two other tools. So if I look at the features here, this one is producing an edge line. I'm going to take in that feature into the feature intersect tool as my first line, vertical edge line, and then for the second one I just use the horizontal edge line. Now I have the two lines from the two tools, and you can see even as I step between the different frames, as those edge tools track the edges, my corner of the component is tracked with the feature intersect tool very robustly. Another measurement that I can do very easily is the distance of this hole here on the corner that is being measured by the surface hole tool to the vertical edge. All I have to do is set up a feature dimension tool. I'm going to add one of those and select the line, the vertical line, as my feature, and as a reference point I'm going to use the surface hole center point. There you go. So now I see this distance, and for the actual measurement I want to use the plane distance, which is the projected distance onto the XY plane. If I look at this in 3D, you can see what I'm talking about. So it's the distance here. If you project the line down onto the Z equals 0 plane or the XY plane, you can get the distance to the point, and that's the shortest distance that's perpendicular away from the line. So with geometric features, many otherwise difficult tasks have become a lot easier. There's no need to write scripts for point-to-point distance calculations, and point line distances are also just a few clicks away. Finally, the feature intersect tool provides ability to find the intersection point of two lines, which can be used for corner measurements and robust anchoring. You can expect even more powerful use of 3D geometry as we build on these concepts in future releases.